In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos in Adobe Express. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you're using a browser, make sure you're on the official site. If you have the desktop app, launch it from your applications. Before you go any further, confirm that you're logged in so your media, libraries, and projects are available and your work saves properly. On the left side of the home screen, you'll see options to access your existing projects or to begin something fresh. You can click your stuff to browse what you've already created or choose Start New Design if you're beginning from scratch. For this tutorial, start a new design to get a clean canvas. With your canvas open, look to the upper left corner and click Add Content. This is where you bring assets into your project. From the menu, choose Media so you're working specifically with your own files, then click Videos. This narrows the panel to video sources, making it easier to find and add what you need. Now drag your first sample video into the canvas. You can pull it in from your computer or from any connected library that appears in the panel. Once it lands on the canvas, it will appear as a video object you can move and resize. If the preview takes a moment to load, that's normal. Larger files may take a few seconds. Next, add another video the same way. You can drag in a second clip or upload it from your device. Bringing both videos into the same project lets you build a combined layout. For best results, try to use clips with similar dimensions or aspect ratios so they look cohesive. With both clips on the canvas, fix their placing position. Drag to align them side by side, stack them, or create a picture-in-picture layout by resizing one and placing it in a corner. Use the smart guides that appear to help align edges and keep spacing consistent. If the clips seem too large, drag a corner handle to scale them down proportionally. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click each video to select them together. You'll see both highlighted, confirming they're selected. At the top of the screen, click Group. Grouping combines the two video objects into a single movable unit so you can reposition or resize them together without losing the alignment you just set. If you need to adjust an individual clip later, you can always select the group and make changes without starting over. And that's it. Your videos are now merged into one cohesive layout in Adobe Express.